Sending cryptocurrency to someone involves a series of straightforward steps that require attention to detail to ensure the transaction is completed successfully. To begin, you need to have a digital wallet that supports the cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. First, obtain the recipient's cryptocurrency address, which is a unique string of characters that identifies their wallet. This address is usually provided by the recipient and can be shared via email, text message, or in person. Make sure to double-check the address with the recipient to avoid any potential errors. Next, open your digital wallet and navigate to the Send or Transfer section. Here, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address, the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, and any additional transaction details such as a payment note or memo. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Verify the recipient's address, the amount of cryptocurrency, and any transaction fees associated with the transfer. Transaction fees are typically paid to the network to process the transaction and can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, confirm the transfer and authorize the transaction. The cryptocurrency will then be sent to the recipient's wallet, and the transaction will be recorded on the blockchain. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so it is crucial to verify the recipient's address and transaction details before confirming the transfer. Additionally, be aware of the current market price and transaction fees to avoid any unexpected costs. To ensure a secure transaction, use a reputable digital wallet and keep your private keys and seed phrases safe. Never share your wallet's private information with anyone, and always use two-factor authentication when available. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send cryptocurrency to someone. Remember to stay informed about the current market and transaction fees, and always prioritize the security of your digital wallet and transactions.